The year was 1996. I was a young veterinary student, eager to learn everything I could about healing sick animals, and one of those animals was a horse named Sly. Sly was a beautiful creature, but for some unknown reason he wouldn't eat. He had horrible digestive problems. He had no energy. Sly was literally wasting away before our eyes. He was hospitalized in an isolation ward, which means just to see him, I had to wear a white gown, mask, gloves, and shoe covers. Every member of the faculty had tried to treat Sly, but he was getting worse by the day. I felt terrible for him. How confusing it must have been for Sly to be treated by all of these strange, mask-wearing people. At this rate, Sly had only days to live, so as a Hail Mary last resort, the owner called in a doctor from outside the school, a traditional Chinese medicine veterinarian. This doctor looked almost exactly how I imagined a Chinese medicine expert, a quiet, wise man with a thick Chinese accent. Now, most of the faculty didn't have much faith in these ancient Chinese ways, and to be honest, I felt this way too. But because I was the student on the case, the faculty sent me to observe, and I ended up being the only member of the school who did. And thank goodness I did, because what happened next changed my life. After gently caressing Sly and analyzing his mouth, stool, and other symptoms, the doctor diagnosed exactly what was wrong with him. So he prepared a customized mixture for Sly of several herbal remedies that had been used in Chinese medicine, including on sick animals for thousands of years. I had never heard of anything he was using. It was all in Chinese. But I knew Sly couldn't get any worse, and if there was even a 1% chance it could save his life, I decided to help this doctor in any way I could. Sly couldn't swallow the herbs, so the doctor and I worked together to gently insert a tube into Sly's nose so the medicine could get into his stomach. We did this every day for 3 days, and Sly started to improve almost immediately. Sly became more energetic. He started eating again. This wasn't just some lucky coincidence. When I measured Sly's biomarkers in our lab, I was shocked. His white blood cell count improved dramatically. His diarrhea resolved. His weight got better. Within a week, he was on the mend. And soon, Sly was sent home in 100% perfect health. The faculty, in a word, was stunned. And so was I. Seeing this beautiful creature restored to health brought tears to my eyes. Sly's case changed my life because for the first time, I saw that Western medicine, while powerful, is not enough. Don't get me wrong, Western medicine has saved millions of animals' lives, and of course millions of people too. And I completed my education in Western veterinary medicine with honors, and have since become an expert in it. But what makes me different from many other vets is I've also become an expert in what we call holistic medicine, including the types of traditional medicine we used on Sly, medical techniques that have been used effectively for thousands of years.